Hello everybody, I'm back with my second project for the Not2Shabby design team using the Sweet Friends stamp set. I'm also bringing in the Sprinkled with Joy with Lawn Fawn, and I'm using paper from Yes Please by Amy Tan, an old paper, but I wanted to have a wooden floor for my kitchen party scene. And then I'm also using this polka dot paper from Doodlebug Cream and Sugar as the background or wallpaper for this scene card. So I'm just going to adhere these pieces of paper to create the panel for my card, and I am having so much fun with this stamp set. Jamie does have it in the shop as of doing this voiceover. And don't forget, if you use coupon code JEN10, it's Jen with 2 N's, 10, you can save 10% off your total purchase. So I wanted to break up the flooring and the wallpaper, so I just cut a strip from this cream and sugar piece of paper, this green strip from one of the pattern papers in that collection, just to make it look a little bit like a baseboard. You're not really going to see much of this once I get the elements or the different images on the card. So now I'm going to work on my sentiment. This is a banner die from MFT Blueprints 27. It's a multi-die collection, and I'm using peacock feathers, Distress Oxide ink, to stamp the sentiment. So I've already colored up the images. I colored up the images and cut them out using my Brother Scan and Cut. So I did them all one night and then cut them all out so that I could just play with all the images. So I did pop the oven up using some fun foam, and I am going to pop up some of the images as well. So obviously this little kitchen party of sweet treats my idea was that they were in the kitchen baking, so obviously the oven is not on. But anyways, I thought I would have them playing around in the kitchen baking. Kind of reminded me of like the little gremlins when they get up to no good. I kind of had that in mind in terms of these little sweet treat characters just kind of up to no good in the kitchen while everybody else in the house slept. So I did put some foam on the back of that s'more, needed to cut it down. These elements here are from the Sprinkled with Joy set, the rolling pin, the vanilla frosting. I'm going to use a sprinkles shaker as well as a little cookie for the frozen yogurt to hold. And I thought bringing in these two stamp sets just added a little bit of extra fun to the already adorable stamp set. I hope you enjoy this card. I'm kind of getting to the end here. Just putting on the sentiment, and then the final touches, I wanted to put a berry on the frozen yogurt and a little heart on the donut. And then I will bring in some sprinkles on the cupcake. So I'm bringing back the Peacock Feathers Distress Oxide just to put a few little teal colored sprinkles on the yellow cupcake. And then I'm going to bring out my Spectrum Noir Sparkle pen, and I just put that on the more muted colors in the card. So for the base of the flan, the marshmallow, the little cookie, and then the sprinkle jar, and then I added some of the sprinkles into the jar so it looks like they were on the cupcake. I just felt like the oven was a bit too plain, so I used the add-on die for the Sprinkled with Joy set and cut out this little towel and just adhered that straight onto the oven, and I felt like that just balanced out the empty space of that oven. So here is a final picture of the card. I hope you enjoyed, and I will be back with another project using this stamp set. Thanks for watching. Bye!